In this video, I want to share with you the best tech pouch I found, the Peak Design Tech Pouch. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology can enhance my time with my kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'll show you the outside and inside of my favorite tech pouch, what the pouch can carry, and at the end, how the pouch can be carried in. As a busy dad with many kids, life is often quite chaotic since I'm not the most organized. One of my biggest clutters must be all the little technology accessories such as cables, spare batteries, chargers, and memory cards. Little things lying around all over the place. On my desk, in my drawers, and in my backpacks. These are things I do need every day and on a family trip. When we go on a family trip, thankfully my very capable and organized wife packs almost everything for us. Yes, I'm blessed. There is one very important category of things I'm solely responsible for, and that is all the tech stuff, big and small, from big items such as cameras, laptop, Nintendo Switch, to all the little odds and ends. Yep, the cables, batteries, chargers, etc. Over the years, I've tried many different bags, such as this flat case, which works great for cables, or a deeper case for both cables and big items, like batteries and chargers. Even this nice waterproof pouch that I can just throw all the little things in. Each has its own pros and cons. While I love many Peak Design products, when the tech pouch was first introduced, I thought it was a little bit too much for me to spend on a bag for just little tech things. However, every time I struggle to keep my cables untangled and accessories easily accessible, I become more convinced that it's worthwhile and worth the money for me to look into a better solution. The tech pouch comes in either black or this new sage green color, which I like a lot. It has a jean-like look and feel, like many Peak Design bags. At first, I was afraid the lighter color may get dirty easily. However, the shade is a bit darker in real life than the picture I've seen. Very pleasing and does not show dirt easily. The pouch's outer shell is made with a waterproof nylon and polyester coated fabric. There are two zip pockets, one for the main compartment and the other for the side pocket. The two zippers are also waterproofed. The pouch has 4 grab handles, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the side. It has 2 loops on the top for Peak Design anchors, which I'll show later. There is a little Peak Design leather logo, which accents the bag nicely. One cool feature is the pouch holds its shape and sits upright by itself when it's either empty or filled. This may not sound like a big deal, but it makes the bag much easier to use and put down. The shape looks better too. Let's have a look inside. There is just one zipper for the main compartment, not the 2 that we have seen on bigger slings or backpacks. This is sufficient since the tech pouch is small. The zipper does go all the way around on all 3 sides. Opening the main compartment, the first thing that catches the eye is the accordion style or origami style pockets inside the bag. The bag opens like an accordion with these stretchy cloth holding the pockets together in a V shape. When the bag is open, the 2 big grab handles on the side comes in handy to hold the bag open with one hand, while the other hand can get stuff out, just like a baseball glove. The pockets inside are laid out symmetrically. In the middle, there's a big opening with an internal zip pocket. Inside the zip pocket, there are 5 little pockets, perfect for SD cards or little items. On the other side, there are 2 pockets. All of the pockets are elastic and flexible. Fanning out from the middle, there are 2 big pockets on each side. The outermost pocket each has 2 pen holders and 3 mid-sized pockets. There is a special pass-through hole that allows charging cable to go through to the other side inside the side pocket for charging a device either in the outside zip pocket or outside the bag altogether. Very smart. The tech pouch is not big, but it could hold more than I first thought. I usually use it to hold tech accessories. Let's see what I usually have inside. USB-C hub. Every MacBook owner should have at least one of these. AirPods. Whole bunch of cables. More cables. SD card reader. USB stick. Couple of adapters. SD cards. And this. Oh, my camera hot shoe cover. That's where you are. Couple of chargers. Spare batteries. Oh, my external hard drive. This is a good and fast one. Cleaning cloth. Couple of membership cards. A pen. And a power bank. Surprisingly, other bigger items fit very well too. A GoPro camera with spare batteries and a couple of mounts. Or with an Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal. Or you can actually turn it into a Nintendo Switch carrying bag. Couple controllers. And even my Bose headphone. Amazing. Now that we've seen what the tech pouch could carry, let's see how this tech pouch can be carried. Remember these two loops on the top of the pouch? It allows the tech pouch to be carried by itself with the Peak Design anchors that I'm putting on right now and the strap that I already have. I'd go with the black color pouch if I want to carry the pouch this way most of the time, since the Peak Design straps only come in black and gray at this time. Well, the gray strap may actually work with the sage green pouch. Due to its small size, the tech pouch can also be carried in any backpack. My favorite way to carry the tech pouch though is in my Peak Design everyday backpack. Wow, it's big. The tech pouch fits well in one of the divider slots inside the backpack. The Peak Design backpacks are great for carrying bigger items like the cameras and lenses with these very configurable compartments. For me, one of its biggest shortcomings is the lack of secure small compartments for all the small accessories. There are some pockets in the side flap. However, when I zip open the side flaps to get a small item out, other small items can easily fall out. Also, these flaps can get quite heavy and bulky when they are fully packed, making the backpack hard to open and close. The tech pouch solved this big problem of mine and complements my Peak Design backpack perfectly. I like this tech pouch so much. It has replaced most of my tech folders, pouches, and bags. I still use a bigger case with dividers to carry larger items in my check-in suitcase when needed. But the tech pouch is what I have with me all the time. in my work or carry-on backpacks or just around the house, as my most needed everyday accessories are well organized inside. The only con I can think of is this tech pouch is not cheap at $59 US. However, the material and build quality are great. The pouch will last for a long time, and as with other Peak Design products, it comes with a lifetime warranty. I have so many little accessories lying around, I may need more than one of these. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. Let me know your solutions for organizing all the little tech accessories around the house and when you travel in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our time with kids and family, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.